In today's video, I brought to you guys the best add-ons and procedural generators that can actually help you create all sorts of neon and LED signs in addition to lights to be able to create different environments such as cities, back alleys, and so on. And I think you will find these very interesting. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're gonna start with GeoSign, which allows you to create and generate various kinds of signs easily. This one is kind of popular, so you probably have seen it before. For example, you only need a few clicks to access the assets of text signs. The asset library itself contains over 1,000 signs with different types and styles, which means you can get endless variations. In addition to generating signs, the add-on includes various features like animation, which is a cool effect that you can add to the signs, and they will automatically look like they are flickering just like in real life. The add-on also allows you to easily transform images, videos, and GIFs into screen signs with animations, which will help add massive LED screens to the scene. You can also change the default text in the signs and craft custom text depending on what you want to be written on the signs, which is something obvious, especially since you're gonna create a custom project and thus you will need custom signs for the most part. The coolest feature about the GeoSign add-on is that you can actually display any shape that you want on the signs by drawing on the viewport using the annotation tool. This I think will open many possibilities for you, and you can literally create tons of different signs in a matter of minutes, which is gonna be a huge time saver. Another powerful add-on is called Procedural Signs, and this one helps you create any type of neon sign simply by picking a type and adjusting some preset. This is actually so much easier than creating everything from scratch, as it allows you to pick between multiple types of signs and adjust an infinite amount of settings and options, which will change depending on the type of sign that you're trying to make. The add-on offers 6 types of signs, which are big screens, billboards, channel signs, LED screens, light signs, and neon. And each type is denoted by a different image, so it is very easy to figure out which one you want. Each of these types also has different ways to create. For example, neon has 3 ways to create, from text to SVG files, or you can draw them manually, which will allow you to draw anything that you want using the freehand spline tool. For instance, you can adjust the text, the font, and the scale of the text itself. And because the tool is procedural and built on top of geometry nodes, you don't have to scale everything manually, because every part of the sign will scale up or down depending on the scale of the text or any other element. You can also adjust the neon color, in addition to emission strength and how many cuts separate the actual lights. Also, did I mention that most of these signs can be animated? That's right, and it will depend on the type of sign. But flickering and scrolling signs can be adjusted through the animation section as well with a lot of control, which is something that can save you a ton of time, especially if you are trying to add a lot of these to your scenes. Also, no neon sign is complete without some wires going through the different segments. So here you can control how many electric wires in the sign and how much the actual wires are sagging, in addition to other stuff. I would add that you can adjust the mount or how the sign is mounted to the wall. Again, you can adjust multiple settings here, like the type, count, scale, and how far it is from the wall. Last but not least, there is the preset section where you can pick between 30 plus pre-created signs, which is gonna be a great addition to any city or environment scenes that need lights and signs. The next add-on called Neoner is specifically made for creating various neon signs, lamps, pointers, and lights. The concept behind this one is really simple. So basically, you can quickly and easily convert any curve to a beautiful neon light. You also have some settings that you can adjust depending on your needs, and as you can see in the video. And according to the developer, the add-on is more optimized to be used with Eevee, but you can also use it with cycles just fine. And by the way, the add-on has been around for more than 5 years and has a 5-star rating review, so I can easily say that this add-on has actually stood the test of time. In a similar vein, we have another add-on called Simple Neon. which is a geometry node generator that lets you create your very own custom neon signs, either by inputting your text, importing a custom SVG file, or simply drawing it using curves, so it is up to you. What I found interesting about the add-on is the level of customizability it comes with, because it comes with a lot of things that you will need, from resolution and extra distance, inner and outer color, color animation, tube radius and resolution, in addition to a couple of settings to adjust the base mesh-like position, also frame and grid radius, length and height, as well as rod count, and even a subdivision option. Also, you can even add stands to your sign and customize their limits as well as their radius. This, in addition to the ability to add cables, which are also customizable by the way. And for those of you guys looking for something to create text signs or neon text signs, this add-on called Neon Text Generator is probably for you, because the name says it all after all. A lot of people complain about not having font options in other neon add-ons, so I think this add-on is a solution for you because it only focuses on that. So simply just open the Geometry Nodes editor and click Open Folder and import new fonts, and you are ready to create your own text neon signs with the ability to adjust a lot of settings to get the desired result. And there you have it guys. If you are interested in one of these add-ons, you will find all the necessary links in the description. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to this channel to receive more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.